Oh yeah, we had it down. We had all that in there. Okay, come on, Dave. Oh, he's got the whole ball of wax.
Hey, get over there!
He's got another camera too. Real nice camera. You smile.
What would you like to hear?
Okay, go. What sound would you like?
What would you like to hear? Oh, is this on automatic? I feel like it's cool, right?
I've never been in the movies before. This is my brother.
Take your sunglasses off.
This is my brother David. Excuse me. He works here. Lives here.
We're the Andrews sisters in drag.
Drag who me? Drag. This is my father.
Well, hello there. Hi. I always wanted great.
This is a person over here who thinks. Wait a minute. Let me show you this person.
I'm tired of it. I yell at kids all day long. I don't want to yell at anybody else. Would you get this act?
Okay, y'all done?
Did you hear about the two Polacks?
Come on. Oh yeah, both of them what?
Playing in the sandbox?
No.
Yeah, cat buried them.
Oh, the cat buried them.
When are you guys leaving on Sunday?
Come on.
When are you guys leaving on Sunday?
After church.
You don't have time to go up to Sanger, Texas?
Sanger, Texas?
Which is 45 minutes north of here?
You got to see it, Model A?
No, I got to see this 56 Barrettes.
This is the worst pizza.
Shit.
Come on. Come on.
I can't do this. Here we are.
Well, you're not.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Well, you take it.
Get this guy. Get down the alley. Hey, why don't you get a shot of my alley? My alley's my car.
Here's my car.
Rick, get the alley.
The mosquito.
Zoom in on the car.
Rick, get the alley. Rick, get the alley. This is classic Michigan. You don't have.
There's not an ash can in the alley.
Get the alley.
There we
Is
are.
there a murder?
Oh, that's nice. Oh, there's a cat. Hey, you just missed a cat, Rick. Kitty, 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 kitty.
Smile.
Hey, kitty, 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 kitty.
Look at that car.
Oh, wait a minute. We all set here. Okay, here we go. All right. What do you want to buy? Fish? Fish for sale? Okay, fish for sale. Well, now your light's going off and on. It's flickering. Your light is flickering in front. All right? What's making it flicker in front?
I can't think of anything else to say.
Well, you're zooming it in pretty good. Get over there and
that's
get
what
your...
I'll do.
Get
This
your
is
Dave.
my brother.
Yes. Smile, Dave. You're on cat and camera. Oh, there he goes again, shooting his pictures.
You're
Okay.
on.
Am I on again? You got my good side? All right.
That's it, gang.
You got my good side. Very good. Goodbye. Shut it off. Okay, y'all ready, Rick? Get a wave. Give a wave now.
Hello.
Get a wave. Give it a nice smile. You're smiling, Rick. Get a wave.
I'm an actor.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a real person and an actor.
Hi, I'm your friendly insurance man.
Don't trust that man.
Aren't you going to say something, Heather? Say something.
Heather, say your name.
Something.
Say your name.
Give your testimony.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Jenny.
Okay.
Oh, I'll be down to get you in taxi, honey.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
I love those dear hearts and gentle people who live in my hometown. You can't remember the rest. I love They were kind of
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I came here for your welfare, not your underwear. I came to address you and not undress you. Plenty of seats if you sit on the floor. Free admission if you pay at the door.
I don't. Give us a word.
Give us your brother.
I think I need to give the word. It's about time we have a preaching session just about at this time. I'm amen for all the goodies that he has. I'm after the blondes and the brunettes.
What's a blue net?
The brunette. I'll find one someplace.
Did Mamie say something now?
Did Mamie say something? Mamie? We'll go over here to Mamie.
Tracy?
Mamie McDonald.
Get a little late over here on the subject.
It's a bra Breckman, Leck Neck, Neck Daughter, Mrs. Rick. Will you buy a toaster?
What did you get for Christmas, Mamie?
Oh, too much. Yeah,
Open door.
yeah, we duck indoors.
So, how's Pop?
You should take a picture
No.
of him in the bed.
God loves you all, and so do I.
She's one of those who won't let go of the thing.
Here, who wants it?
Tracy didn't say anything.
Oh, there's
What do you
Olivia.
do with that?
Olivia Newton-John over there in the corner.
Oh, you're really a dull group.
Yeah, it is very dull.
I really feel that mic should have been on all this time.
Oh, you mean it's not?
I've got some.
I thought I saw something.
Yes.
Don is in the refrigerator.
That's cute.
Yeah, I can't hear very much, but we sure had a lovely time here today.
Yeah?
It's been real nice.
Smile big.
There he is.
Yeah.
There's a pair of them. Anything else to say?
Oh,
How old are you?
how old am I?
Yeah.
Well, I think I'm 87.
87 tonight?
I'll be, oh no, I won't be 87.
Is this the Army-Navy game?
I don't know. And what did you get for Christmas, little girl? What did you get for
What did I get for Christmas? I got a big doll with lots of hair and a little dress that Mama made.
And what did you get for Christmas, young man?
I got some, I got a camera, and I got a wallet, real good wallet. Want to see it?
All right.
No money in there, but all credit cards. That's my ATM card.
That means he's a foreigner. Hi, Andy. You're hearing
the
him.
blue gray.
Oh. Yeah, that's Army-Navy, isn't it?
No. That's
Hi, Andy. What did you get for Christmas? What did I get for Christmas? I got a beautiful dress, and I got a watch, and I got, oh goodness, I got a tractor Silex oven that I like very much, and I got a hand, I got gloves, yeah. Get the hand, Carl, when you come.
the hand.
That little white hand right there. Come on, Tweet, sit down.
She got it.
She got a hand. Come over here by me.
And what did I get for Christmas?
What did you get for Christmas?
Well, I got a pair of pants, and I got a
Come on and
shirt,
get in the film.
and Eric gave me a sweater. Oh, and my dear wife gave me a nice sweater, a brown sweater. I've been needing that for sure.
This one.
My wife? My wife. Well, that wife. My wife, yeah.
Yeah.
This little girl.
Okay, Nan, what did you get for Christmas?
Is this going this way?
Yeah, it's going.
What did you get for Christmas?
Yes, what did you get for Christmas?
Well, I got the most beautiful coat. Maroon velvet for my nice family, and I just was so surprised. And I also got a Christmas stocking filled with goodies, cream and everything. And beautiful dish from Bethany Falls. Oh, it's just so many nice. I forget. I don't
So,
you know? I gotta pick. Oh yeah, soap.
That's beautiful.
Heather, Scott soap over my neck.
I know.
But this beautiful dog too.
A worn movie star.
Yeah.
Did you do anything in my picture?
Yeah,
And
David?
Oh,
David, come quick.
He's here to talk to.
oh,
See, there's the
he
microphone
coming or
right
not?
there. No.
oh really? Oh, my.
We've already been talking.
Oh, can't talk anymore now.
Now see the different helmets?
Oh, neat! That's stupid. I didn't tell me. Why? Just because I didn't get that. What do you want me to do? Oh, wow!